this video we will discuss about the ramp signal. So the ramp signal is denoted by R of t and is defined using this function. So R of t, the value of R of t is always equals to t if t is equals to or bigger than 0. For any positive value of t, the value of Rt will be t, and for any negative value of t, the Rt will be equals to 0. So you can write that function using the discrete time domain. So R of n will be equals to 1 when n is equals to 0 or bigger than 0, and equals to 0 when n is less than 0. So you can represent that unit ramp signal using this diagram, two-dimensional diagram, like x-axis is t, continuous time, and the y-axis is R of t. So at t is equals to 0, it is 0. So at t is equals to 1, it is 1, and at t is equals to 2, it is 2. At t is equals to 3, it is 3. So you can show the signal like a ramp. So this is a ramp signal. So if you want to show that signal in the discrete time, you can say that here the sample value at 0 is 0, at 1 is 1, and 2 is 2. And at 3 it is 3. So you can have different values of sample for different value of n. So you can represent both of them. So if you take the integration of unit step functions, so you can say that the value of unit step for all positive value, it is 1. So if you take the integral from 0 to infinity, the value of ut is equals to 1. So the integral of the unit step will be the ramp function. We can have different relationship between the unit step function, unit impulse function, and the ramp functions. The first one is the derivative of the ramp. Ramp is a unit step signal. Like if you take the derivative of the ramp, so we know that the ramp function is equals to t at t. So dt of t is equals to 1, so which is the unit step function. So if you take the double derivative of the ramp, so that will be equals to the unit impulse signal. So if you take the double derivative, so rt is equals to t. So if you take the double derivative of that will be equals to the impulse. Integral of the unit step is a ramp. So like if you take the integral of the unit step that we have already proved, so it will be equals to the ramp. And if you take the double integral of the impulse, it will be equals to the ramp. So I hope that you understand the ramp signal. So if you have any question, you can write your question in the comment box.